I'm always interested in seeing how others take my workbench design and modify it to fit their needs. So Dennis made this video on YouTube and we're going to take a look at it, and I'm also going to put a link to this video in the description down below so you can look at the video in total. He does a great job of showing you his modifications, some of his mistakes and ways he would do it different, and also at the very end he packs it up and shows you how nice it stores in his garage. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, designer of the Smart Woodshop and the Paulk Workbench, as well as some other workbenches. If you are interested in building yourself any of these, I have plans that you can download. You can find a link in the description of this video down below, or at the end of this video there'll be a direct link embedded. So Dennis took the Paulk Workbench II. He made a lot of modifications to it. He also got the Paulk Total Station and took some of the elements from that and sort of combined them. I love his router fence there. I gotta look at that a little closer. He's hanging the bench off, or hanging the saw off the bench. So he took that from the Total Station because I'm not doing that anymore. I have gone to the saw stop, and I have a couple of those, and I started working on a cradle design, and I didn't finish the design because as I was fooling with it, no problem with the weight of the table saw on the end of the bench. It's too heavy for me to pick up and move around, and so since they come with a nice stand, I go ahead and just use their stand. So I do like it hanging off the bench, but for me and the big saw, I think going without it hanging off works a little bit better. And here you can see Dennis showing you how he packs it all up at the end. He does have a notch right here in both of them, and he talks how that was kind of a mistake because he did that for the vacuum on the table saw, and he mentions he should have used a 90, and that's of course what I do even when I hung them, as well as now that I use the saw stop. So no need to do that modification, but he'll explain it to you in the video. I think you should check it all out. Give him a thumbs up, and thanks for taking the time to show us his shop and how he's done his bench. And also, if you've got any modifications or variations on the workbench, be sure to make a video, or you can send it to me directly or put it up yourself, and I will let people know about it. Thanks for dropping in to the Smart Woodshop on the road. Have a great day.